case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1991, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Burns v. Reed, which examined the limits of absolute immunity for government officials and its potential consequences on liability for their official actions. The case centered around Kathy Burns, who reported that an unknown assailant had entered her house, knocked her unconscious, and shot and wounded her 2 sons. Despite her victim status, police officers suspected Burns of being the primary suspect and decided to interview her under hypnosis. The chief deputy prosecutor, Richard Reed, advised the officers to proceed with the hypnosis and later endorsed their decision to detain and arrest Burns based on statements she made during the session. At the probable cause hearing, where Reed participated, one of the officers gave false testimony, claiming that Burns confessed to the shootings during hypnosis. The use of hypnosis as an investigative technique was later deemed unacceptable. Due to the misleading testimony, the judge issued a search warrant and charges were filed against Burns, who eventually had them dropped. The Supreme Court's decision in this case partly affirmed and partly reversed the lower court's ruling. The court determined that the prosecutor was not entitled to absolute immunity for providing misleading evidence during the probable cause hearing. However, the prosecutor might have been entitled to qualified immunity if his actions were reasonable and did not violate established laws. This case highlighted the importance of limiting absolute immunity to activities closely associated with the judicial process, ensuring that government officials can still be held accountable for their actions if they overstep their bounds.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.